one of the things we have to deal with is putting the neck onto the body. Now, it's designed with very little tolerance, so it's going to be tight the first couple of times you get on it. It is, once you put it on, you can't take it off. Sometimes it takes a little bit of force. You can, certainly sand this and do as you see fit to adjust it. Make sure your edges are tight in there. What I find is the first time it will go in. You can sort of be very gentle. You see, I put a pad down to not scratch it up any more than it is. And it lines up perfectly. So it's as we see fit, and that'll be the retaining hole for it. So once you get it in there, it's going to be really hard to get it out. So, but that's what, good to have a motivator. And now you get a sense of what it's going to look like. And it's stunning glory. And it does look pretty cool. This one, as you've seen, is going to be made with blue, kind of a pearl blue highlights, neon blue highlights, which I think will be really cool.